Welcome back. We are here looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Thursday, May 6, 2021. If you'd like to support the channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. So let's look at Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have rallied significantly today. We're up in nearly 5%. Is not doing as well as some of the other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Dogecoin and so on, but it is still rallying. But we are running into quite a lot of resistance here at the 50 moving average. We do have a trend line that we have to break through. So when we cross this, then we're probably going towards the top of the Bollinger Band, which is at 61K at this point. And after that, we're probably going to 65 and then to 70 if we manage to break through here. Break down from here, we'll most likely find major support down at 50K or at the bottom of this range, which is at 47K. If you look at technical indicators, we can see that the MACD is still in negative territory, but it is bullish above the signal line. Stochastic is flat, CCI is becoming bullish just above zero, and the RSI is flat at this current stage. So let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum continues to rally. We're at 3,442 at this current stage, significantly overbought and significantly overstretched. So really risky to buy at these levels. We'll most likely find major support down here at the middle of the Bollinger Band at the 2,613. Technical indicators are still very bullish, and yes, people are pouring money into Ethereum. This is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies that are out there at this current stage. So let's look at ADA. So ADA has just absolutely exploded to the upside today. So we are approaching significant resistance up here at the top of the Bollinger Band. We're trading at 1.43 at this current stage. Technical indicators are very bullish, and we should find quite a lot of resistance as we saw that we basically broke down when we got to this level in the past. If we were to break down from here, then the middle of the Bollinger Band, where we were finding support recently, will most likely be resistant. If that breaks, then we could drop to the very bottom at 1.05. So let's look at Litecoin. Yes, Litecoin has broken its previous resistance level. As I said yesterday, if we break this, then we are mostly going to catalyze this significantly higher. We did get to 350, and we're possibly also going to 400 after this. We'll mostly have a pullback from here, and these previous highs will most likely act as support now when we have basically broken through this area. If you look at technical indicators, we can see that they are significantly bullish at this point, and we are also getting into overbought territory. But this has been an absolutely massive move for Litecoin, nearly doubling its value in only 2 weeks. So let's look at NEO. So NEO as well has also rallied. We are trading at 109 at this current stage. Technical indicators are all very bullish. We are quite far away from the highs here, so we could see this continue rallying towards the top of the Bollinger Band, which is roughly at 115. If that breaks, then we will most likely target these previous highs again. This was significantly overbought, so it just was too much. Should probably have gotten up to it at this point, but it did, and it is fairly unlikely that we'll go back to those highs without having a pullback at some point. But give or take 125 would probably be possible. But middle of the Bollinger Band is holding really well. If we can see how often we basically have tested that level, and if we have basically bounced from it every single time. So let's look at Dash. Yes, the Dash has as well broken through the previous highs here, also the very top, and then gave most of those gains back. So it got significantly overstretched, and at this point we could see this pull back towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, but considering how hype this market is at this point. People are just pouring money into the cryptocurrency market and basically taking it out of stocks, and especially tech stocks, and basically putting in this market here. So as long as that is the case, we can see considerable higher levels and significantly overstretched conditions and so on. Buying at this point is very, for most of these cryptocurrencies, is very risky, as we are overbought and overstretched. However, momentum is still to the upside. If this breaks, then we could head towards 450 and probably also 500 in the long run. So let's look at Dogecoin. So as you can see, Dogecoin got all the way up towards 0.6832 before giving most of those gains back. So yes, there are a few support levels. First of all, these previous highs here will most likely act as support. That's give or take 0.42. If that breaks, then we could head towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is at 0.34. And then we have these very lows here, which is at 0.25 if it were to basically completely collapse. Then we have the 50 moving average down here at 0.17 and the 200 moving average all the way at the bottom of 0.0596. Technical indicators for this cryptocurrency are very bullish, but we are significantly overbought. As you can see, we're also significantly overstretched, and pullbacks at this point shouldn't basically be expected. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support our channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.